lantuging. In Tagalog is away, and in English is argue. Lantugi is when someone is trying to prove something by giving reason. Example, sige man mo og lantugi anang tawhana, ngano man na.
Mabagduyo. In Tagalog, adventuroso. And in English, adventurous. Here's the definition. An existing or remarkable experience of someone. For example, wow, ikatkat ka sa bukid ikaw ra isa, ka mabagduyo nimo oy.
Bangaw. In Tagalog is bahaghari, and in English is rainbow. Its definition is, it is an arc or circle that exhibits in concentric bands the colors of the spectrum and that is formed opposite the sun by the refraction and reflection of sun's rays in raindrops, spray, or mist. Example, kakita ko bangaw ba paghuman sa ulan?
Maanyag in Tagalog is maganda, in English is pretty. Definition, having conventionally accepted elements of beauty. Example, kamaanyag sa bulan.
Dilaab. In Tagalog is alam. In English is flame. Definition, a flame is a burning gas or vapor, typically producing heat, light, and smoke. Example, tungod sa kainit sa panahon, nagdilaab ang kasabutan. Hinuklog. In Tagalog is pagsisisi. In English is regret. Definition, sadness associated with some wrong done or some disappointment. Example, naghinuklog si Tristan sa iyang mga salak. Limpatakan. In Tagalog is utak. In English is brain. Definition, the brain is a complex organ that regulates various bodily functions, including movement, sensation, perception, and cognition. Example, sulod sa imong alimpatakan ang mga quiz ugma para dako ka og grado. Lansa. In Tagalog is bangka. In English is boat. Definition, lansa is a watercraft designed for navigation, transportation, or recreation. Example, nagsakay mi og lansa padulong sa isla sa Siargao. Bahandi. In Tagalog is yaman. In English is treasure. Definition, bahandi is valuable or precious things, especially when discovered or recovered. Example, daghan kaayo bahandi diri sa Pilipinas. Nagtambayayong. In Tagalog is pakikipag-isa. In English is cooperation. Its definition is to perform some task or activity in unison. Example, tungod kay nagtambayayong kita sa proyekto, kita tanan makakuha og grado. Yakis. In English word is sharpen. Yakis is to make a thing become sharp or sharper. Example, Riza, pahiram ng iyong lapis. Ay teka, yakis mo muna yan kasi hindi ko pa magagamit.
Paineta. In English word, comb. Definition, a piece of plastic metal or wood with a row of narrow teeth used for fixing or fixing hair. For example, ang gusot ng buhok mo o ito, paineta, magagamit mo yan para maayos ang buhok mo.
Salipawpaw. In English word is airplane. Salipawpaw is a powered flying vehicle with fixed wings and a weight greater than that of the air at its places. Example, tingnan mo, may asalipawpaw sa himpapawid.
Kalupi. English word, wallet. Definition, it is a flat case or pouch often used to carry small personal items such as paper, currency, credit cards, identification documents, station cards. Example, kaninong kalupi ito? May lamang 500 pesos.
Buntala. In English word, comet or planet. Definition, a small body in the solar system that orbits the sun and develops a tail or coma when it's close to the sun. The tail and coma are caused by the sun's radiation on the comet's nucleus, which is made of ice, dust, and small rocky pieces.
For example, maraming mga buntala sa kalangitan pero hindi natin sila nakikita. Sambat, in English word, is fork. Sambat is a utensil made of metal whose long handle terminates in a head that branches into several narrow and often slightly. Example, kuhaan mo ko ng sambat. Pantablay, in English, is charger. Pantablay is a device for charging batteries. For example, miram muna ako ng pantablay sa aking kaklase dahil ubos na ang baterya ng aking cellphone. Dalisay, in English word, is pure. Dalisay means undiluted. For example, laging mananaig ang dalisay ng pag-ibig. Antipara, in English word, is eyeglass. Antipara is a wearable lenses mounted in a frame you wear in your face so you can see better. For example, kailangan ko na magsuot ng antipara dahil nagsimula lang lumabo ang aking mga mata. Salumpuwit, in English word, is chair. Salumpuwit is a separate seat for one person, typically with a back and 4 legs. Example, mabaluktot na ang nabili namin na salumpuwit noon.